All right, in this video, we're going to talk about CrossX, right? So, majorly here, why you are seeing data, market data is on track is because they didn't supply sufficient information to CoinMarketCap. Usually, when you are listing your project on CoinMarketCap and the data required, you didn't supply them all, it results to data is untracked. So, that doesn't mean that the project is inferior or scam or whatsoever, but it just implies that you didn't supply the data required. Just like they said you can check review criteria section B, right? You can see it here. It comes to our attention that project have been receiving okay, this is it here, data admissibility guidelines, determining which requests to prioritize to process is a balancing act as information may vary across different sources. Consequently, we rely on three principles to guide our decision-making process: credibility, verification, and methodology. So you see, if you didn't supply all these things, your listing will be untracked. So the summary of this is they didn't supply enough information. So that doesn't mean that it's a scam, no, right? So just like I said, you still do your homework. Of course, cross-chain DeFi aggregator. So almost all of them are talking about DeFi. Everybody is talking about DeFi. But just like I said, do your homework, right? Do your homework. Do your homework. Okay. Okay, they say they have product or what? Okay, their product is CrossX swap. So I don't know if it's live. They didn't put any link here for us to check for the product, right? And they have their roadmap. It is a roadmap for Q3 2022, talking about the landing page and material release token creation, cross-chain advanced integration following alpha launch and dual creation, 2023 Q1 fundamental utility expansion, new market development. All right, that is just their roadmap, nothing more. As the custom is, we're going to check their liquidity. That is what I'm concerned about. Not when I am seeing $10,000, $100,000 in my trust wallet and then to swap it now become a problem. No. So I usually take note of that. Okay, look at this. They have a pretty nice liquidity for a start. And I want to show you something here. Their liquidity is superb when compared to their market cap. Yep, you can see the liquidity is showing 76,000 and the market cap is showing 276,000. The margin is not much. Some liquidity to market cap margin used to be up to 10 times. For example, when the liquidity is 100,000, the market cap will be 1 million. Can you see the gap in between? But these guys, their market cap and liquidity is just like 3 times, right? Or 4 times. So it's very nice. And just like I said, the liquidity is not bad. Never. It's not bad. If you have at least, if you invested, let's say $100, and this thing goes up to maybe times 20 of your money, and that is $2,000, with this liquidity, you can easily swap. And the more transaction is going on, the more the liquidity is coming in, right? Why I'm saying this is because I've witnessed a coin that gives huge profit. Swapping becomes a problem. The coin gave me $1,000. Before I will swap it, it's already 5,000 or so. Give me $10,000. So that's what I'm emphasizing on liquidity. Liquidity is very, very important, right? Maybe as time goes on, as we review more coins, you got to see coins that have liquidity issue, right? So, but this is it's not bad. And another thing you can check is the holders. And there's no any danger sign here. So the only thing I will advise the team is to supply more information to CoinMarketCap so that they can be trackable on CoinMarketCap. I don't know if they are trackable on CoinGecko. So let's check CoinGecko. Okay, let's check CoinGecko if they are trackable on CoinGecko. Where is it here? Okay, they are trackable on CoinGecko actually. So I think they're only having issue with CoinMarketCap, which I'll still advise them to update their CoinMarketCap details because CoinMarketCap, as far as tracking of coins is concerned, is still the #1. So I will advise the team behind this project to update their information on CoinMarketCap, right? So that they can get more investors. That is it. Okay, coming to the holders. Oh, they have 2,460 holders, right? And the coin is just, total supply is just 100 million. Yeah, so they didn't adopt the method of memes that are created in quadrillions, trillions, and so on. Yeah. So, and what is the price now? 0.002 as a new coin is not bad. Is a potential coin that can get to $1 actually. There's no doubt about that. It has the potential of getting to $1. Yeah, with the supply, if the team behind it are genuine and are ready to work. There is no doubt about that. This is not a financial advice. This is my own view of the market. Remember to do your own research before investing your money, right? Okay. Most of the holding is on PancakeSwap. Yeah. I think this is for the liquidity, or then pink cell locked. Okay, I think they did their sell on pink cell and they still have some lock there, which I guess might be released over time. And then this address having 5%. Well, I don't know the address. This is I'm not saying this to discourage you, but I don't know the address holding this. At least we know that this is pink cell lock, maybe for those that purchase on pink cell, and this is PancakeSwap. Mostly these are for liquidity. Yep. So that is it. But these other ones having 5%. I don't know who is the holder. Addresses don't have names. If not, we'll have tracked the name and know who is the holder. Because the danger of this is if the holder is not someone that bought them with his money, if he's one of the admin, it might dump it anytime. Yep. So that is just the truth. Yep. So, but it seems the person, from what I'm seeing, it seems the person purchased them. Okay. Seems the person swapped them actually, from what I'm seeing here. So, which is nice. It's better the person swapped them with his own money than holding it from the team as a team member, because it's risky, right? So that is what I have to say about CrossSwap. So remember risk management. Remember risk management. Remember risk management, right? Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Thank you.